Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a trademark sign symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a trademark symbol on your WPS spreadsheet, I'm just going to show. So first of all, just click on the insert option. Then you just need to click on the symbol option. So after clicking on the symbol option, you can find the symbol here. If you didn't find the symbol here, click on the more symbol. The first way, if you have a special character here, you can find directly like this. You can just insert it. If you don't find the special character, I just show another thing, in-depth thing to find the trademark symbol. Click on the more symbol option first. Then you just need to, you can see you just need to change the subset to the letter like symbol. So you can find the trademark symbol here. You can find this, and you can find in different font. You can just click this, and you can just change the subset to the letter like symbol, and you can find the trademark symbol on every different font. So you can find the trademark symbol have a different font. That's the change while you're changing the font. So this is how you just insert a trademark symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.